We're going to show you some stuff about the seat. First of all, this has a swivel seat with using this latch. These arms can be adjusted. Overall width, it's about 23 inches. It's pretty narrow. You can expand these out by loosening this. So an overall width of 27, inside of 22. This is on the high back seat. You can adjust this in and out. To take this seat off, first thing you want to do is unplug this and just pick it straight up. Seat height was at 21 inches. You have some adjustments from 21.5 inches to 23.5. Allen key in this, or you can use a socket wrench. Just clamp it right on here. Take this, that's going to be tightening it, and you just loosen this up. You'll see the teeth up here. This is forward. And remove this out, and you'll see the 3 different adjustments. I wouldn't drill an extra hole in here. That's up to you if you want to do that. You can lower it down. So that's the lowest, so that's the highest. But all you would do here is put it right through here. This forward, as you can see this at the back. Put your washer on. Put your nut. Clamp it. Tighten it down. You want this to be snug so this doesn't wiggle. That's how you adjust the seat height.